Welcome to Community Arts Kitchen.
Hello everybody. In this tutorial I would like to show you how to use the Sketchpad app. It's right here. You can type this into your browser and it is a free app to do artwork with. So my app is open and I would like to show you how you can import your selfie picture that you have taken either with your camera or with your Chromebook or laptop. So you're going to go to, on the left hand side are your tools. You're going to go to this emoji, and when you put your cursor there, there is a flag that pops up that says clip art, and then at the top you will see load your own image. So click on that. And then you have choices. I am going to upload from my desktop. You can also upload directly from your Google Drive if you're on your Chromebooks. And I'm going to scroll down and find my picture, and here's my selfie, and I'm going to open and import it. And there I am. Now for our self-portrait skin color lesson, I would like you to determine your skin color. And just like the artist that inspired us to do this, her name is Angelic Dass, she used a 11 by 11 square pixel square inch from the nose of her portraits, and that's what I'm going to do. So I am going to go over here to my toolbar, and the first one is the select, the second one is crop and resize. The third one I would like you to click on. Right now it shows a feather, it's a calligraphy tool that's selected, but if I click on it, I have my whole palette here, or toolbox, I'm sorry. Here the calligraphy pen is selected. I would like you to go ahead and choose the paintbrush. So if you click on it, a variety of tools will pop up, and let's go find the paintbrush. There it is, and I'm gonna select that. Now I can already tell I have a paintbrush, but ooh, the color that I have selected is black, but I want to color in the background of my selfie with my skin tone. So I'm gonna have to select my skin tone, my skin color first. In order to do so, I'm gonna go over here to this rectangle that says outline, and I'm going to click on it, and this awesome color palette will pop up. And I would like you to find this tool. If you hover over it with your cursor, it says an eyedropper. Click on it with your cursor, and the eyedropper is now selected. Now I'm going to go over to my nose, and as you can see, if I hover over with my cursor, the color changes. If I go over to my forehead, it's slightly a different color. Right here in this field, you will see the select a color the eyedropper is selecting. So if I'm going to my shirt, it's black. And if I'm going to my nose, this is what my skin color is. And the color name is FCB495. You don't have to worry about that, but just letting you know that's what the computer has selected. I'm going to click on it. And now this is the color in the outline box. So now if I go over with my cursor and my paintbrush is selected, I can now paint in the background. The way I'm doing this is I'm keeping my thumb on my trackpad, and with my pointy finger, I am navigating and changing directions of my brush. and go slow. And I'm kind of just leaving a little bit of white around my hair and my shoulders. And by the way, if you feel like you have an oopsie, you can let go of your trackpad and go over here. If I move my picture, you can see this arrow. This is the undo button, okay? So whenever you let go of your thumb, that's one undo on your trackpad. So I'm gonna go back and just take my time. And this takes a little bit of practice to maneuver your fingers on your trackpad. If you have, if you're using a mouse, that will be a different experience. And so I'm just kind of trying to do like a rectangle-ish shape behind me and letting go. So this now is saved in a layer, and then I'm going to keep coloring in. By the way, if your paintbrush feels like it's too big, you can go and change the size on it. Let's see. Oh, here, it's the width. So you can change the width, and you can also kind of blur it a bit if you want to, but I'm going to keep the width here at around 48-ish pixels. I felt like that was serving me well. So I'm going to paint around the hair. And to get in between my hairline there, I need to have something a little skinnier. So I changed the width to a skinnier brush. And I want this to be less blurry. So I'm going to change the intensity on it. There we go, around my shoulders. And I'm going to choose back a larger size brush to finish up my background. Oops, I just went into my shoulders, so I'm going to undo that. So this is just a little bit of practice with my fingers on the trackpad, but it's going okay so far. All right. So once you have colored in your background with your skin color, then you can feel free and alter your selfie in any way you want. So go ahead and choose a different drawing tool. You can try the pencil, or you can try the calligraphy brush, or you can try the crayon, or a drawing pen. I'm going to try the drawing pen, and I'm going to now use a different color. So I'm going to go here. I think I'm going to use a light gray, and I'm going to just see what that does. Ooh, that gives me a nice variety of lines. Okay, so I'm going to erase that. So I might do a little bit of tracing on my head. Okay, and just add some fun changes. And if I don't like that, I can undo, 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 undo as many times as I want. I'm going to try a different tool, maybe the pencil. All right, and I think I'm going to change the color. This seems a little bit harsh, so I'm going to, I could use the eyedropper tool again and choose another color that's already in my portrait, which is this brown over here by my ear. And I'm just gonna sketch in with that. So I would like you to experiment with changing up your artwork. I didn't like what happened there. And adding details, but we don't want to make this silly. We kind of want to keep it realistic for the purpose of our school-wide project. Okay, when you're done, I would like you to save your work. So you're going to go over here where it says there's a plus and then there's a folder, and below it says export. So I would like you to click on that. And then you have a list of options, so you can download it. What I would like you to do is to download it as a JPEG. It's called a JPEG file. And you're going to click on that. And oops, it just downloaded it right here to the bottom of my screen. On your Chromebooks, it's going to download it right to your drive. And I can click on that. And then here is my image. Okay, that's it for my tutorial. Have fun practicing using your Sketchpad app. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Community Arts Kitchen was created and developed by Barbara Libby-Steinmann and Anna Rochester.